See how we clean this bedroom carpet. First, we applied a pre-spray to break all dirt. And we insisted on the traffic areas. This carpet was so dirty that our feet would stick to it. Next, we extracted all the dirt, rinsed and deodorized. You can notice the difference. This is starting to look like a brand new carpet. Check out the after video. What a difference! Do you want to see something cool? Have a look at the dirty water that came out from this carpet. This is so satisfying. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.